Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the UOB FX Plus debit card. Let's begin. The UOB FX Plus debit card is designed for frequent travelers and international shoppers who want to manage multiple currencies easily. With this card, you can hold and spend in up to 10 currencies directly from your UOB account, avoiding foreign exchange conversion fees. It provides competitive exchange rates and real-time currency conversion, which can help you save money when traveling abroad or shopping on international websites. You can top up your currencies anytime through the UOB TMRW app, offering a seamless banking experience. The card also includes cashback promotions and discounts at selected overseas merchants. Security features like card locking options and instant spending alerts make it safe to use globally. If you often deal with foreign currencies and want an easy, low-fee solution, the UOB FX Plus debit card is a fantastic tool to have. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.